Alright, it might be a little windy, but I think what I want to do next year is come out and get videos or reviews on other people's cars. I think I've seen this one on the channel a few times. Done a couple race weeks, but yeah, I think just come out, get footage on people's projects and their builds and cars. Maybe get ride-alongs eventually. If that's something you guys want to see, let me know, and I'll try to make it happen. But a little Malibu. But yeah, eventually, like I said, I'll just come out and get some updates or see what everybody's working on. We say it's a little small block in here.
Yep, all iron, small block.
T56. Yeah, so let me know if this type of content you guys want to see. I want to see if I get one of these boats from them over the summertime.
Yeah, I won't be going home for Thanksgiving, and I got that S&W 10 point sitting for this thing, so hopefully it goes out for the cage soon.
Right. Yeah, because that's what you need to go faster, right? Or no?
Cage, and then, like I said, like the valve housing and clutch, a couple more things for the SFI cert.
Just put a bigger shot of nitrous on it, call it a day.
If it wasn't stock crank and a 2-bolt, I probably would.
Yeah.
But like,
but yeah, for the most part, just pretty much saying next year when it warms up a little bit, kind of want to get some more cars on the channel. Just not really doing reviews, just getting other people's projects and their builds, and even the complete cars. Just try to cover those, just little short videos. See what everybody's been working on over the winter, pretty much. So I know I want to do it when it warms up, just because if I do get rollers and everything, a lot easier to get on the bike. But that's pretty much it. And then I mentioned one of my previous videos, I believe it's the video when I was helping a buddy. Well, I was there for moral support, but I was helping him pull the 6.0 for his car. I'll try to get that car, probably a little bit of footage. But I was helping him pull the 6.0, and I mentioned at the end that the elco was going to be featured somewhere, and I wasn't sure at the time if it was going to be the main picture or not, but it's just going to be featured. It's not going to be the main picture, but as far as the elcos go, mine will be featured in the 2023 Classic G-Body Garage calendar. So if you get that calendar, you'll see Aaliyah in there. I'll be sure to get one, and then I might get an extra one. I might get two. The reason I'll get two is because I know I keep saying I want to shoot for 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know if it happens, it'd be real close. But if it happens, I'll for sure give one away. If it doesn't happen, and if it gets close, I still might give one away. But that was the news I had for the elco, where it's going to be featured. It's going to be in the 2023 Classic G-Body Garage calendar. Like I said, I'll pick up two. If the subscribers get to that point, I'll give one away. Of course, I'll throw one up in the garage. Got to keep one of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So, like I said, if you already get the calendars, if you already plan on getting one, you'll see mine in there. And it's nowhere close to a show car, but it looks good on camera. Pick up some good angles on camera. So I just had a couple pictures I took one time I had it out, and it was just selected this year. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe next year try to get a better pitch or something, shoot for the main picture. But for now, just be nice getting it featured out there. Maybe 2024. I don't know. But I'm not building show cars over here. Just a fun little street cars. But she's looking good. But finally got the steering wheel mocked up. I have a video on that. It's not installed. It's just mocked up for now. And yeah, still need to do the dash on this. Eventually I'll redo the dash, but for the most part it still goes. But yeah, that's all I have. I know I sound a little stuffed up. It's getting cold out here, but yeah, so look out for that. Let's get these subscribers up. If we hit 1,000, I'll for sure give away a calendar. If we get close, I'll give one away also. So depending on how close we get. But yeah, if not, I don't know. I might have some extra Colorado G-Body stickers laying around, but who knows? If we hit 1,000, got you guys with the calendar. Just one. And then let's say if we hit 1,000, I'll throw the calendar in, and then I'll probably throw Colorado G-Body sticker in there also. But that's it.